Oh crap. Are you kidding me right now? Shoot.
7-0, step away from the vehicle.
Oh my gosh. The police is here. Gun. 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 Whew. I've been going at this for freaking 30 minutes now. That battering ram could sure do some damage. I've been trying to get in for the past 30 minutes. There's no keys. I've been having to forklift this car around. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can do. Okay, all this banging, I was able to get a little bit open right there. You see that? Maybe I can get in there and stick my hand in there. Open this door, see if I can find something I can reach. Got this long pole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can reach something with this. Oh, I can make it longer. I don't want to resolve to break in the window just yet because I don't want to set off the alarms. I got a master key. Got the mechanic here getting the heat max 55,000 degree.
It's either gonna work or you're gonna burn this place down.
All right, I had to stop yesterday because the tow truck came and dropped these two beauties off. If you guys remember, these are the Bullet Riddled K9 units from the last live stream. Look at that, bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet holes everywhere, all over this car. If you missed it, make sure you go back and see it because it's freaking crazy. Let's go, let's get this thing open. Got the little tip off. Got my gloves on. This is definitely gonna work. Get a good grip and then I'm gonna pull it. Oh yes, I got it. I got it. Holy crap, it's on fire. It's on fire in there. Water, I need water. There's no damn water here. Maybe I should pee in there. All right, I gotta turn it off for that. I guess I didn't think this through because now I got the little lock off, but now what? Still freaking locked. You know what? I'm gonna go live on Instagram. You guys will help me out. Okay, so guys, we are live and we are gonna try to break into this police car over here. I need your help. What's up, Metal Slug? What's up, Jack Walker? Mr. Chief, big fan. What's up, buddy? Okay, I'm having trouble breaking into this car. Pee in the windshield. Urine piss is corrosive and it'll eat. Dude, I need some suggestions. Who are you? Can you help me? Hello, I can't hear you. I'm gonna light this. It's a dynamite shank weapon. Hope the car doesn't catch on fire. Okay, I just got off a live stream on Instagram. And I'm sorry to say, but you guys are not much help at all. Like, your suggestion was pee in the windshield. Why don't you unhook the transmission? It's no help. Okay, so I did get a good idea from the live stream. Somebody suggested that I get in through here, disconnect the battery, and that way I can break the window without any alarms going off. Definitely the wrong shoes for that. So stick to the end for a Tough Book giveaway winner. Hook this in through here. Yes. Genius. Oh, I'm so good at this. Bolt strip. Nail puller. Have you ever... It worked on the grill. It should work on this. I wish this car was somewhere else so that I can tie this up to the truck, pull it. That might do something. Yeah, look. Oh yeah, that's good. That might like undo something in there. Okay, got this blow jab fan. I'm gonna turn it on. It pushes air in through there. It should build up air pressure. So the pressure will be able to unlock everything. For removing the converter to be able to get to the plate and get inside. So I have to try that. There's the dang converters I'm gonna remove right there. Okay, that took a lot longer than expected. I don't see a plate. I see the transmission. That's the transmission oil pan. They might have been talking about this compartment, but maybe through here, but I don't see how that's gonna help me any. Maybe if I heat this thing up. No. If I remove the wheel, I could probably access the battery through there somehow. Can I access the battery through here? Best way to get in through plastic is heat this up and cut through it. Alright, the tip is nice and red. It's working. Okay, that is gonna take way too long. And I'm losing daylight. That was a waste of 2 hours. I gotta connect this heat max and heat up this battering ram so I can try the 50,000 degree hot battering ram. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start heating up this battering ram with this. Alright, I'll be back in about 30 minutes. It's working, guys. This thing is red hot. Blow jab fan battery died. That didn't work. Yes. Yeah, buddy. I got it. I can unplug the... Are you freaking kidding me? There's no freaking battery the whole time. Oh my goodness. Well, at least now we know I can break the window. Bust it. My Van Damme kick. See, this will bust the window. This should bust the window right here. No? Okay, let's double in the bubble. All right, so I doubled it, so it'll be double the pressure. This for sure will break the window. And if I trap the smoke in here, oh my goodness, that's dangerous. Tomahawk, this will definitely do it. got to be kidding me.
7-0, step away from the vehicle.
Oh my gosh. The police is here. You can assume I'm a criminal right off the top.
Those things. What?
Oh, thank goodness. Oh, you might have just saved the day.
What did you do to this car?
Trying to get in.
What window do you want to get into?
That window, the black tinted one. Told you.
What the hell? What did they do? Huh. Only because it's tinted.
Maybe.
What about this one?
Try it.
Well, that didn't work.
Try giving it a good kick. Yeah, I tried that already. What about we ram your car into this thing?
How about a crowbar?
All right, go ahead, give it a good swing. Oh yeah, go for it, all of it. About dang time.
Alright, there you go.
Jama Task Force saves the day.